How to add the contact information on your lock screen, and this is for your Galaxy A55 smartphone with Android 14. So basically this feature allows you to add contact information on your lock screen in case your phone ever gets lost. And the fastest way to get into these settings is by going into the wallpaper settings. So long press a blank area on your home screen like this here on your A55 smartphone. Go to where it says wallpaper right down there. And once you reach here, you will see these two wallpaper viewed here. You want to tap on the one on the left. That's for your lock screen. Once you tap here, this will load up like this here. And this now in return gives you the option to edit your lock screen wallpaper layout. You'll see where it says contact information here. You'll tap on that one time. And this now, you're going to add either a number that's not yours so that if the person finds your phone and is kind enough to return the phone, they can call that number where they can reach out to you or to a close one and let them know that your phone has been lost and they found it for you. Okay, so don't put your number there because then they'll just call it and then your phone is going to ring in their hand, right? Or put an email address or some sort of contact for them to reach out to you if that person is nice enough to return the phone. Okay, so you can go ahead and put an email or again put a number or anything that's just like, that's gonna work for you. So just put some random numbers here. I'll just do this here to show you how this is going to work. Okay, and I know that's not a real number. So just press done. And then what's gonna happen now, you wanna press done here so it can save. Then you will now press this here, and on your lock screen, you're gonna see that contact info here for you so that whenever someone gets your phone, they're gonna see it and they'll be able to reach out to you. All right, like and sub.